Get straight into the content, man. Listen, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Today, I got a late start on showing y'all everything, but I just went and got the correct countertop for this vanity. The vanity came with a countertop, but it was broken. So I had to drive 45 minutes each way to go get the correct one. Now, as y'all can see yesterday, I put in my switches. I wired them up myself. They work. Boom. Feel me? Super sturdy in here. Got the can lights going on. Now hit this. This is for the vanity light. Turn this on. This is off. Once I hit the switch on it, that means it's active, it's working. All right, so I can start getting ready to hang my mirrors and all that now. Everything pretty much good in this bathroom besides clean up and hooking the plumbing up. I haven't even hooked the actual drain up yet, but I'm about to. I'm waiting on the plumber's glue and plumber's primer to be able to do such. So far, wifey was in here just tearing up these baseboards. You know, that's how it's looking right now. In the bedroom, we're gonna have the drywaller, the finisher skim coat these walls and get them nice and ready for the house. As you see, she cut in. This is a start from last night. You know what I'm saying? She cut in already. I still gotta put this piece on. So this is 1.5 inches that the plumber put on, right? I gotta put plumber's primer in here and glue. Put it right on top of that 1.5 inches right there. And then this goes on top of there and it's gonna clamp right onto there, all right? And I gotta do that for both bathrooms. The water line's already hooked up. The toilet's already hooked up. Toilet working functionally, perfectly. You know what I'm saying? No leaks nowhere, nothing. I'm happy about that. Yeah, today is just one of those days. I'm gonna jack the house up a little bit. God willing, I could go get the flooring tomorrow, start running these floors and start grabbing my cabinets. But I wanna make sure this shit's structurally sound perfectly before I start doing that, cause shit gotta start getting moved around. I'm definitely about to start putting my doors in as well. So room door, kitchen, bathroom door, another bathroom door. Right there coming from the room with the handles and stuff. That's all about to start getting put on. I gotta really clean this floor up. My next little thing I'm about to do until that plumber stuff get here is those lights up there. I already did these 2. I'm gonna do the other ones now. And shit, we're gonna check back in a second. All right, listen, y'all, I'm installing these can lights. One thing I did was I ended up grabbing this. Oh, let y'all see me. Big corn. All right, y'all, one thing I did was I ended up going to grab this piece. This is easier for the can lights. You could adjust it. I got 6-inch can lights, so I'm cutting a hole about 5.5 inches so that this will be able to fit directly up there. I also had to get tools as well. Things be much better and easier and safer too. Like I like these over the damn what do you call those? Wire nut shits. I like these better. So these are the easy install can lights. Love this shit. Let me see. Come on, now. Yeah, these are the easy install can lights. Feel me? Now I already done cut the hole. I stripped my wires. I had one of these wire strippers with it's like a bunch of different gauges and it's not for these wires. So I went to Home Depot, just bought the correct ones. Now, I already done cut the hole open right here. It comes with little notches. You gotta notch out, open this up, boom. Once you open this up, you adjust the lights to what you want. I usually put on the second setting, which says 4,000 kilowatts, right? Now, it comes with white and black wires in here. I usually take those off, especially because I got the new little wire shit. Put these straight through. That's 1. That's 2. Now, simple, regular light shit. You're going white to white, black to black. white, white. One more white. And then another white, the last white. All right. So all the whites, which is the neutrals, are hooked up. Now I gotta do the power wires, which are the blacks. All right. So black to black. Black. Got that one there. I'll do this. The last one, this for the light. All right, that's it now. All right. Now my last one is the ground. Ground in there. One. Two. Three. All right. Now that's on there. The wire's good. Put them up. Clamp that down on the ceiling. Clamp that down on the ceiling. Damn. So. It's up there. But I noticed I need to adjust this because the hole ain't big enough. So let me adjust this. Take this out. Bloop. Take this piece out. Six inches. Now it's ready to cut the 6-inch hole. That light look good though. Now, next, I'm gonna do this one. I usually push the wire up. Try to get it out of the way. Yeah. Can't see it right now. And then I'm gonna put this plastic part first. This before I even put the blades on there. Straight through there. Okay. Now that should be enough. I'm just scoring it. Scoring it enough. So I can just use this now. Draw one. That's how you make the hole there. It's a single wire this time. Go ahead and splice these. Let me grab the light. Wire a little long, cut it a tad bit. Score the sheathing or whatever the hell it's called. Pull it off. Apply or the paper. Strip the wires back. Whoa. Whoa. Feel me? That's really good. Let me answer this phone. What up, buddy? Okay. How many we got? 5? Damn. All right, I'm gonna pull up with a truck. Or matter of fact, this you do. When you pull up here, I'm gonna go. I'll just drive back there and pick the rest of the doors up. You know what I'm saying? If you don't mind me driving your truck. All right, say less. Okay, say less. Leave him with Nicole. You know that's our girl. Okay, all right, say less. All right, so Brian Home Depot getting stuff done. See, the thing about this process with these houses is efficiency. You know what I'm saying? With him being at Home Depot getting that done, I could be getting this done. Again, this right here, I'm just notching out the piece of the damn. On the damn thing. Switch the setting to 4,000 kilowatts. So they're all on the same setting. Push the wire through. In the wire. So I hold the box. Drop them bullshit, man. Not this though. Okay. Let's do my neutrals first. Again, the power is off, so if you do this, I recommend turning the power off. Yeah, I recommend turning the power off. That's the neutrals. Got the hot wires. There it is. Now my grounds. Now we adjusted the damn thing. Hopefully the 6-inch don't make it too. Oh wow, 6-inch actually perfect. Need safety glasses, but the 6-inch actually is perfect for it. Wow, should have been doing 6-inch because I was actually messing it up doing 5.5. That's why some of them look messed up, but it's okay. I think that's all for the lights in this house, but I'm about to go turn the power on and show you how it looks.